This is Guided Math 3.2, and we're going to be doing some estimating of each product. Remember, a product is when you multiply two numbers together. You have two factors, you multiply them together, you get a product. Okay? So, on this first one, we have 5.8 times 4. I want to just get things to a whole number, an easy number to estimate, to multiply together. 5.8 times 4 I can't do in my head, but this one is really close. If I look at the 8, it's going to round it up. This is so close to 6. 6 times 4. Now 6 times 4 I can do in my head, 24. So the estimated product of number 1 is 24. All right. Now this one, 13.97 or 0.92, that 9 is so close to going over to the next whole number. So we're going to do that. We're going to make this 14 times the 7 is greater than 5, so this will take this to 3. So 14 times 3 is so much easier. We can just estimate 14 times 3 is 42. Okay. This one we could do a couple different ways. I'm going to round this one, whole number, I'm going to round it to 3. It's really close to 3. Now, I could go with this one. I could go, we could. It's pretty close. It looks like if I round this up, it's going to go to 95. Now, 95 is not the easiest number to multiply. So I could take it up to 100. Or I could take it down to 90. Either way, it's going to be a pretty good estimate. 100 times 3, that one's easy, 300. 90 times 3, I know that 9 times 3 is 27, and I add that 0 is 270. Okay? So it's going to be around 270, 300. It gives me an estimate, a ballpark. Let's look at number 4. A grocery store sells American cheese for $3.89 per pound. About how much would 1.89 pounds of the cheese cost? I'm going to make this it's pretty close to $4. I'm going to put that at 4. I'm going to put this at, boy, that 8 is high. I'm going to take it to 2 pounds. It's almost 2 pounds, so let's estimate it up. So now we have $4 a pound, and we're getting 2 pounds, so 4 times 2 is $8 total. Okay. Number 5, Greg has 52 megabytes left on his MP3 player. He wants to download 7 songs that each use 7.9 megabytes of memory. He estimates that he will need 56 megabytes of memory. Is his estimate reasonable? I would say it definitely is, and this is why. 7 songs times, I could do 7.9, but I'm going to estimate it. It's so close to 8, so I'm going to do 8. Now 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, so that's an estimate. And he says he'll need 56, and I got 56, so it's a good estimate because he rounded this the right way to 8, and 7 times 8 will give him 56. So actually, Greg has 52 megabytes left on his MP3 player. He needs 56. He's not going to get all his songs. You could probably do 6 songs, but not 7. Anyways, this is a reasonable estimate. All right, go ahead and go on to some independent practice. Ask me a question if you get stuck on something, and I will guide you through it and help you.